Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today's video is a simple behind the scenes look into a rain photo shoot that I did almost at the beginning of the year in February. And it was a photo shoot that I've been wanting to do for quite some time now, a couple of years, so I was really happy to be able to do it finally. I do want to give a huge thanks to the model Keandra for being such a good sport and wearing such a great outfit and modeling great, so big thanks to her. One thing that you will notice is that I did use constant lighting. I used the modeling lamps on my Explorer 600 Pro and my Explorer 400 Pro. And if you guys are curious about any of the gear that I used in this video or the settings will show up on the images as they show on the screen, and the gear that I used will be in the description area below. And if you guys are curious about how I protected my lights, I simply just used two HEB grocery bags on each light, and that made them survive the rain. I hope you guys enjoy the photos from this photo shoot because I worked really hard on them and I've been wanting to do a rain photo shoot for a while. So if you guys do like the photos, please consider liking this video and also subscribing to the channel. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the very next video.